Yeah, you seen the title in the thumbnail. We got salmon on the menu and we got pasta. We're gonna put both of them babies together and I'm gonna show you guys how to make a smoked salmon pasta with spinach. Y'all ready? Get in your kitchen, let's go. All right, let's do a quick roll call. What we have back here, we have our linguine here. So we're gonna use some linguine pasta. Now guys, if you don't wanna use linguine pasta with this, you can also use any other type of pasta like penne. Yeah, it's totally up to you, but we're using linguine today. We have some smoked salmon here. So I bought it already smoked. I didn't do it myself. We want to make this pretty simple and quick. You don't have to worry about cooking your salmon. Some heavy whipping cream, spinach. Now you don't have to use spinach also. You can leave that out. That's totally up to you. Some red onions, some dill, lemon juice, olive oil. We have some whiskey here. Now guys, if you don't want to use whiskey also, you can remove the whiskey. You can also use white wine if you want to, or you can totally eliminate that. Totally up to you. But I love cooking with booze, as y'all know. Some chives here, whole grain Dijon mustard, garlic cloves, Parmesan cheese, capers, and some lemon zest here. So these are the ingredients. Let's get to it. So to get started, you want to bring a pot of water to boil and you want to start cooking your pasta. We're not going to really show you that. I think you guys understand how to do that. So the next thing we're going to do is heat up our cooktop. We're going to add a tablespoon of butter, our olive oil. We're going to come behind that with our onions. And we're gonna cook these until they soften. All right, so once your onions are softened, you're gonna go behind that with your garlic, your chives, your capers, your dill, and your lemon zest. And you're gonna cook this for an additional minute or so. Guys, this smells absolutely amazing. So once you're done with that minute, you're gonna add your salmon. And you're gonna let this cook for about 1 to 2 minutes, just to heat it through, since it's already cooked. Next, we're gonna come behind that with our whiskey. And we're gonna cook this to allow the alcohol content to evaporate and boil off. You don't taste the alcohol when you're adding this, when you're cooking with booze most of the time, if it's cooked right. You get a taste of it, but it's not like you're drinking straight alcohol, but it really gives it a nice flavor, at least to me. Next, we're gonna come behind that with our whole grain mustard. We're gonna mix that in for about another minute. Then we're gonna add our lemon juice. We're gonna come behind that with our heavy whipping cream. And we're gonna get that mixed in, let it heat through, kind of get it warmed up. This should take about a minute. And right here is where you wanna add your salt, just a little salt to taste, some black pepper. Continue to get that baby mixed in. After about that minute, we're gonna come across that and add our pasta. Remember, this pasta is cooked. We're gonna get it folded in. We're also gonna come behind that with our spinach. And we're gonna add this. We're gonna cover this up. We're gonna let that spinach wilt, and we're gonna come right back. All right, guys, we are good. Let's remove our top, and we're gonna do a quick mix. That spinach is wilted. This baby looking good. Man, this is awesome here. And our last order of business is to add that Parmesan cheese. And guys, I do want to mention too, that I didn't show you, I did add that pasta water in here after I added my spinach. So if it becomes a little bit too thick, you want to reserve you about 1/4 of a cup of that pasta water and it'll do the job. Guys, look at that. We're going to turn that heat off and we're done. Let's go ahead and get this baby plated up over to our cutting board for quality control and the final presentation. And there you have it, smoked salmon linguine pasta with spinach. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. I already know y'all gonna be in this comment section on this one. Man, it smells delicious. Let's go ahead and jump into quality control. Yep, the favorite part of the show. We're bringing that food to the front of the congregation. Let me go ahead and do a spin on that. Oh man, I know y'all like that. Oh man. I already know what I'm gonna say. I mean, it's obvious. Oh man. Put some of that salmon on there. Groceries. These are groceries. Y'all already know groceries. This is it. So, I need y'all to add this. Matter of fact, add everything I do to your list. But move this one here to the top of the list. You're gonna love it. So, to the end, y'all already know who I am. All wings, everything. And remember, him not a chef. Him just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.